Hello and welcome back to the next video of Python Bytes series. In this video we will see what are dictionaries and its function. Let us see some important points in the dictionary data type in Python. Dictionary is a mapping data type. That means every item in dictionary has key and a value. Dictionary can be declared using curly braces, but there is one more important part to the syntax of dictionary. Every item in dictionary has a key and a value separated by a colon. A dictionary is an unordered data type. The item in dictionary are indexed using key to the pair. A key in a dictionary is unique. If you try to assign a value to a particular key the second time, Python will override the initial value to the key with the present value that we are trying to declare. We can have nested dictionaries. A key can have another dictionary as a value. Let us now start coding to understand dictionary data type. Welcome to the coding section of Python Bytes. In this part, we will see how we will declare dictionary and also see the functionalities of dictionary. So let us declare a dictionary friends. I hope everyone has seen the series Friends. We are going to take some references from there. We are going to declare the name of the character and their profession. So let us take Monica, and we know she is a chef. And then we take Rachel, and we know she works in fashion in the later half of the series. So she works in fashion. Let us take Chandler, and no one knows what he works, but we know works with numbers. And then let us take our favorite Joey, and he is an actor. Now let us print this dictionary friends. So let us see how Python interprets and prints it. So it has taken every character, every key and value and printed with a semicolon in between, the same way as we declared it. Let us now add a new key value pair in our existing dictionary. So we will take friends, and then we will declare the new key, that is Ross. So he is the fifth character, and let us declare his profession paleontologist. So now when we add this, and let us print friends again and see if we have Ross added to the dictionary. So we see Ross is added over here with his profession paleontologist. Now let us see how do we get all the keys in the dictionary. To get all the keys in dictionary, so let us create a variable key in dictionary, and then we will use the dictionary name dot keys, and it's a function, so we use a parenthesis at the end. And let us print key in dictionary, and let us see the output. So we get this as a dictionary key object, and the structure is a list of all the keys, and those are the name of the characters. So Monica, Rachel, Chandler, Joey, Ross. Let us get the values in the dictionary. So let us get value in dictionary. So friends dot value, and with a circular bracket, and then let's print the values in dictionary. And now we have an object of dictionary values, and those are all the professions that we have declared for them: chef, fashion, works in number, actor, and paleontologist. If we want to rewrite a key with some new value, so for example, if we think, oh, we are in the start of the series, let us change Rachel's profession to a waitress, and now we will be replacing the value of the key Rachel with a new value, that is waitress. So as we see, if we try to declare a value for a same key, the value will be replaced. So let us print and see what is the output. So now we see Rachel, the profession is changed to waitress. So the key and the value pair has changed. So the key remains same, but the value has changed from fashion to waitress. Now let us see nested dictionary. To declare a dictionary, let us add another layer in our previous dictionary. So let us add apartments, and now let us declare apartment girls, and to this key let us declare a dictionary as a value. So let us declare Monica, and she is a chef. The second element is Rachel, and she works in fashion. So this is one dictionary. Now if we now we will create another dictionary. So let's and that will be apartment boys. So let us declare Chandler. He works with numbers, and the second element is Joey, and he is an actor. So now if we print this nested dictionary, and let's see the results. Now we have a dictionary with key apartment girls, and the value is another dictionary, that is Monica and Rachel as key, and the second element in the first dictionary is apartment boys, and the keys are Chandler and Joey for the dictionary value it has. So how do we call various values in a nested dictionary? To call a value in a nested dictionary, we'll declare apartments, and we'll declare the key for the first dictionary. So let us declare apartment boys, and if we want to get the value like what is the profession of Joey, so we'll declare the key for it. So let us print this, print, and let's run the script, and we have output as actor. Let us check some Python Bytes tips. Key in a dictionary can be string, integer, float, or a tuple. It cannot be a list or a set. The best way to learn programming is by doing practice. I have posted some questions in the description of this video. Please check the GitHub link for the Python Bytes series. You will find questions and solutions for these questions. Post your feedback in the comment section. To create a Python community, I have started a Discord server. You can find the link to the Discord server in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying the small bites of Python programming. Please like and share this video. Also subscribe to the channel. Click on the top right corner to find more content related to Python. Leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to make video about certain Python topics. Goodbye till next time. Keep coding.